December 2nd. We are officially in December. That is so crazy. It seems like in a few short days we will be in the new year, and I feel like the year just got started. I don't even understand, but nonetheless, I hope that you guys have started off the beginning of December with joy and love and peace. And if you can hear in my voice, my December 1st looked like all of this in here decided, hey, let's give Camille some complications. So, I feel better than what I sound. It's just in here like some drainage and a little bit of a head pressure, headache, and but I'm pushing through because life still has to go on. Still got things to do. I still got a mom. I still got to work. I am currently heading to the house to meet Mike to get you guys some updates. It's an update day. The last video, you guys got to go with us on our final selection meeting. But today is an actual update on the house. I am excited to show you guys what's new. It's a whole lot of new things happened at the house. Yes, if you're new here, my name is Camille. We're meeting Mike at the house. I feel like I say it every video, but we are entrepreneurs building our forever right now home, and we're close to the finish line. I think we're still looking at January, I think, but the way these workers are moving, it could be sooner. But January is when we're planning, so that's when we would like to close this January. So I will see you guys at the house. It is a gloomy day, sidebar. It's gloomy, it's kind of dewy outside, but it is 53, so it's not freezing cold. Yesterday was freezing cold, and it's very windy today. But if you're a photographer like myself, this is kind of like the perfect clouded day, because it kind of acts like I know I'm thinking the word and something else is probably going to come out because I can't think right now the word I'm thinking of, but like a diffuser to block harsh light, like not a reflector, but like a diffuser to block harsh light. So the lighting is beautiful to me. It is extremely beautiful when it's a day like this where it's cloudy. So like today would be a nice day for outdoor pictures for families, because you don't have to battle with the harsh sun. Shooting in the sun is fun too though, so it just depends. Anyway, that was totally off topic, but I just had to throw that out there because when I looked down, the lighting was gorgeous. See you guys at the house for real now. We have paint. Hi, honey.
Hey, baby.
We have paint, babe.
See that?
This is what the garage is looking like at this present moment. Huh? We still have that. We still got the same tub sitting here. The broke cabinet double oven thing. The door is still not installed. Those doors are still sitting there. So yeah, it's a lot happening in here. I don't know if I said this before, but One of these switches is for the Christmas lights. The Christmas lights. What you think, honey? Here's the half bath floor. You can't walk on it because there's tape. Ah! Looking at the design down here, it looks different than looking at it up. Look at it up here. It's exactly how I wanted it to look.
Yeah.
So this was supposed to be laid a different way, but I liked it in this different pattern. It's nice. On to the laundry floor. Oh, it's beautiful. You like it? Yeah. You picked this out, didn't you?
I don't know.
Looks good.
One.
Look at our room, y'all. This is chaos. Our luxury plank is here. Wow. It's here. It's a lot of boxes. Now for the most exciting. What do you think about the floor, hon?
Looks a little bit busy because all the stuff in it.
Oh, with all the stuff in it, yeah. So it doesn't look solid.
She's trying to figure out what's happening.
This is our floor and our bathroom. Just beautiful. Okay, now for our shower. Looks so good. I wish I could go in there to get closer. The black has like a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's it looks wet. If you can tell, it looks wet. That's the style of the tile. And it already has the grout set, so that grout is black. This grout is gray. And I think we did gray down here. Pretty sure we did gray down here. That's what it's looking like. Try to back up some. Now I'm wondering if they ran out of tile, because this is not, that's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be black as well. So we'll see. I have to ask about that. Never mind. I see a box right here. So there has to be a reason why they don't have it up yet. I'm just not for sure why. look at that floor. Now I think you can see that texture better. We went with something a little bit funner in Aislyn's bathroom. And that's the shower. I don't know if I can walk on this, so I'm not gonna get closer. And there's a little niche over there for her stuff. So pretty. And it matches the floor. And we went with the bigger tile in hers as well. And then of course the basement's not done, so no need to go down there. I think they are prepping for the floor to be done. Getting everything all sweeped up, and I think that thing is to grind all the gook that's on the ground. But I'm gonna try to show you guys what the back of the house, the side of the house is looking like. It looks like the back of the house still only has one coat of paint. What do you think, honey? After seeing the tile, what are your thoughts?
You know, I'm not a man of many words, and it takes a lot to move me. So right now, at this point in time, I'm still standing still. But I can't wait till the finished product is done and completed. So until then, my movement, she asked me what do I feel? A sense of stillness. I haven't seen anything yet to move me, but I know when it's done, I'll be jumping for joy. I'll be more than satisfied. I'll tell you that, because I've seen the work. Oh, see, you just took me off the screen, girl.
No,
Oh.
he's still there, honey.
Guys, you know I'm a clown. Now, Clown is my middle name. So, I'm homie,
It looks good.
the clown.
Oh goodness. Everything looks good, you guys. The tile is beautiful. I'm
Getting
running out
ready.
of descriptive words.
Well, they're getting ready to lay the floor. It too will be a work of art. And so, yeah, it too will be a work of art. And can't wait until it's laid and it all comes together.
Yep.
All right, baby girl?
Yep.
Hey.
All right, we're gonna get out of here. We gotta go to work.
Yes, yes.
Until next time. Peace
Peace
out.
out.
Oh, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and hit that like button.